Do you remember the story of Jack and the Beanstalk? Jack was the only son of a poor widow who sent him to the market to sell their cow, their last valuable possession, for the food that they desperately needed to survive. But instead of cash, Jack came home with magic beans. His mother, convinced that Jack had just been duped into giving away all they had, threw the beans out the window. But overnight, the beanstalk grew into the sky, and Jack and his mother gained wealth that saved them from poverty and despair. Jack had willingly given up all that he and his mother had for something that those around him thought was an embarrassing fraud, a hoax. Jack has a lot in common with the Apostle Paul. Paul gave up everything he had, his privilege and prosperity, for the good news that Jesus Christ brings salvation to all people. Like now, in ancient Rome, people valued human power and prestige, and the gospel offered neither. It may have been tempting for Paul, who suffered persecution in prison for proclaiming this message, to abandon it because it was just too difficult. But Paul expresses in Romans 1:16 the real truth behind the gospel. It is the power to rescue us from the presence, power, and penalty of sin. Though having touched the hearts of just a small number of believers at the time, this gospel was a connection from heaven to earth that gave us access to riches that we couldn't even imagine. But unlike Jack and the Beanstalk, this was no fairy tale. Paul had witnessed Jesus himself and realized that the gospel wasn't a message to be ashamed of, but was the power of God to save all who call on his name. Have you experienced his power through this gospel? Have you seen that it's worth more than anything that you could possibly exchange for the truth of knowing who Jesus is?